What is good, everybody? What is good? I ain't like them tech savvy motherfuckers out here, but guess what? I know how to do this shit. What the fuck? Today we're gonna work on the cables.
Today we're gonna get on the cables.
Somewhat better. So first of all, I want to go ahead and say, like, damn, you could do anything in this world if you put your mind to it. Cause damn, this motherfucker right here in the back behind the camera don't even know how to make a, you know what I'm saying, PC. But he built his first PC last night. So you know what I had to do? I had to go out and show him that, hey, $2,400 can get you a lot.
Yo, what the fuck is good, everybody, man? You know what's going on. You know who's back. Kicksano, you know what it is. We back with another video, as y'all can see. Let me sit down. I'm too hype right now. I'm too hype. And it's over a PC build. Bro, a fucking PC. Yes, so we about to run this. We about to use them. And we got all this shit off Facebook Market and Amazon. Come on, we really doing this shit. Come on. Like, who doing this for real? So yeah, we doing this shit our way, not no tech savvy way. We doing it the way that we believe is right. So fuck it.
Ordinary
y'all about
people,
to see.
bro.
Yeah, we ordinary people. If we can do it, y'all can do it. You feel me? Alright, bet. Let's go.
So what we have here, y'all, is the ID Cooling SL240 White. This motherfucker came in here like it was a Lian Li goddamn BMW Porsche. This motherfucker was packaged up to the max. I couldn't even get this bitch out of the package. The bitch felt premium. Like, if you look at the fans, look at these fans. Think about the Lian Li fans and just think about it real quick. If y'all motherfuckers know what this shit is, ooh, I'm telling you, this shit feel way better. And guess how much I paid? $100 off of Amazon. Get this shit right now. I'm telling you, fuck Lian Li, fuck Corsair, fuck everybody. So to install this cooler, you're gonna need 2 of these, or actually 4 of these little motherfuckers right here with the long bracket that comes inside the box. I mean, that's if y'all get it, you feel me? But I'm just gonna show you, you gotta actually take out the natural brackets that come in here, just the standard ones. And you gotta put the other ones on, like these little bitches, and install some screws. But we're gonna skip all this bullshit. We're gonna mainly get to installing the motherboard, simple shit. Like for example, check this out. Installing RAM is easier than what people make it to be. All you gotta do, I'm dumb, bro. Like, I am not a genius. All you gotta do is just open this bitch up. Boom. Say for instance, you taking it out. Open both of the slots up, the little cover handles or whatever you wanna call it. You know what I'm saying? Open it up, take it out. Too easy. Man, when you put it in, you line it up with the little holes on that little bitch. You feel me? And you just push it in. You gonna hear it snap. You gonna hear another snap. All the way in. Too easy. So guys, check this out. This shit gotta come off before y'all put this on. Just so y'all know, cause I noticed a lot of people. Matter of fact, I had a friend, his CPU thermals was fucking weird. So anyways, I was like, bro, I bet you didn't take that wrap off that, you know, the copper plate that attaches to the CPU itself for the cooling to go through, you feel me? And I went over there, sure enough, guess what? It was still on. So make sure y'all take that off before y'all install it on the actual CPU. So check it out. So to put this on properly, all you gotta do is put a one little dot, it's like the size of a pea, in the middle of the CPU. That should be enough. Always make sure you put it a little bit, not too much. Some people smear it on there, I don't do that. I just put one dot, and usually with the pressure of the cooler itself pressing against it, it flattens it out. I never have any problems, so hey, maybe I'm doing it wrong, maybe I'm doing it right, who fucking knows. Yo, don't judge. We not rich yet.
Building this shit on a damn stove. What you talking about?
Building that shit on the stove, and that bitch gonna look better than your PC. Guarantee you. You got a fucking, you got a liquid. Matter of fact, fuck that. You got an air cooler. That bitch sound like goddamn
PS4.
Yeah, that.
PS4 fans.
PS2 fucking. That is disgusting. So we got these stupid ass motherfucking cables. I told you this bitch. Here we go again, man.
Yep.
Fuck. I'm really about to throw this bitch out the window. And tell him I didn't get it. Get my money back. Get your ass out. What the fuck? That bitch said, fuck you. Fuck you, motherfucker. Man. Y'all check this case out, man. This bitch premium. This is an Asus TUF GT 502. That was a motherboard right there. But we gotta get another one, guys. I'm about to cut the video. I'm just kidding.
Oh, we stepped on something.
So I'm gonna put 2 fans right here. So think about your cooling, y'all. So how y'all want it to be, you feel me? I want me to have an exhaust right here. I'm gonna pull in some cold air from here. You feel me? Because you always gotta think about the push-pull, you feel me? Because my radiator about to blow in the air down, and it's gonna pull the cold air in and blow it out the back. And then whenever the other fans come on, these gonna be exhaust fans too, so it's gonna be pulling it all in from here, and then it's gonna be all going this way. You feel me? It's gonna be flowing air through my GPU. Cause the way the GPU is set up, I got the Aorus Master 4090. It's a big bitch. Let me show y'all. But hey, guess what? This shit might not even fit in the case. Let's go ahead and let you know ahead of heads up. I'm gonna leave the panel off for sure. For sure. But anyways, this bitch got a screen on it, and guess how much I caught it for? Copped it. $1,200. Facebook Marketplace. $2,400 PC bill with 7800X 3DX. Shit crazy. Feel me? So you wanna install all the cables that you want. Not every cable that you got, you feel me? All the cables you want, not every cable you got. And I got hella zip ties to play with. It's crazy. So I know I'm gonna need me a GPU cable, CPU I mean. Always make sure you got a CPU cable. Go ahead and plug it into the power supply, unravel it. I don't got no big ass table desk, you feel me? It's gonna look messy, but wait till I get done, it's gonna look good, you feel me? Cause we really the best. The people who ain't got shit, they make do with what they got. The rich fuckers just be building shit for no reason. You good? CPU. This is the power supply one. And it says CPU on the power supply. I got a cheap power supply, I ain't gonna lie. It's still a PCIe 5.0, but they're a bit cheap. Good power supply. I had it before, it lasted me like 3 years. Never had any issues with it. I just sold the PC. You plug it in, look at it. I'm doing it wrong. You can't plug it in here, because why you can't plug it in? Look at this fucking clip, you dickhead. It don't fit. Flip it around, and guess what? It fits. Bet, it's in there. So I know I need my CPU cable. I need the GPU cable if I'm gonna choose this motherfucker. But I don't like this one because I got a white one. This bitch sexy. Let me get one of these. I don't need all of the other ones. Am I doing this wrong, bro?
Flip it.
Just kidding, I don't. I just never used PCIe 5.0. This new, this all just came out.
Oh, I'm full, y'all. This nigga done fed me.
Oh yeah, this coming out. We don't do, I want like Linus Tech Tips now. Guys, we don't do hard drive chassis. Take the fucking hard drive cage out. I swear to God, take it out. I don't know why these manufacturers still put these things in here.
Nobody use floppy disk.
Who uses that? You're gonna stick your fucking screwdriver in the back. Guys, I'm the richest tech tuber in America. So remember, this is the HT audio cable. I'm gonna show y'all this. Stop bullshitting. This is the F panel connector. So you know, some of them motherfuckers come out with like hella little teeny ass, microscopic ass pins you gotta stick into the motherboard. It's so annoying. This is the F panel connector. This is the same shit as them little teeny ass pins. All you gotta do is plug it into the header on the motherboard that has the panel connectors. It's literally labeled on the motherboard. But this is the audio. If you wanted to run audio through this chassis itself, the chassis is the box, the case, okay? You feel me? It got built-in audio inputs on this motherfucking case. And then I just like to get my cables somewhat controlled. So I just put a little fucking tie down right here. Just try to like make sure that everything is staying tight so that whenever I do put this in, I could just fold, or however I want to do it, you know, just make it look good. I don't really go crazy on cable management sometimes, you feel me? It depends who I'm trying to impress. You feel me? But I ain't trying to press nobody. Nobody is. You feel me? You gotta say it like this. Today we're gonna work on the cables. Say it.
Today we're doing it.
No, you do it confident. Don't be scary. Do it like you a big girl, like you mad. Today we're gonna work on the cables.
Today we're doing it on the cable.
Somewhat better. I give up. Yep. 1 8-pin power connector. You just plug it in this bitch. That's it. It's too easy. My shit got grommets on it. Whatever that means. I heard a white person say it. It has rubber grommets. I said.
So today, y'all, I'm about to be plugging in the damn USB cable.
There we go. I made you
Oh, he did it in the first try. He's elite.
a box. Let me just open this up.
I'm really like that.
Oh yeah, bet.
Yeah.
And then where the HDR one?
Oh.
Just like you put fans back here too.
Oh. Dang. I didn't even notice that. I didn't even peep
Alright.
that.
Grommets.
Alright, done with the
So good.
house.
That shit look cool. I can't wait to see that damn big ass device that goes into the middle of this bitch.
This is the Leon Lee. You do this, make sure it's the same side. Different side, same side. Different side,
Logo.
same side.
Lee logo.
Look, look. This is the bottom piece. Flip it,
Right.
top, rotate it, Get what? Slide right in. It's easy, bro. You just gotta put some pressure, you know? Put some pressure on that, dude. You know, like, oh, yeah, easy.
Yeah. Alright, I would make like special.
1 second.
Like,
You're really watching it.
Be good to have. Oh, fuck, this bitch heavy. No, my dumb ass. Don't push the pin.
Oh, he pulled a knee.
I ain't put it in though. I looked at it first. Your ass didn't even look.
Okay, it's trying.
That's crazy, ain't it? Oh shit. Let's try.
Nah, that's a bit. And then you put the
I'm watching.
over here.
I don't think.
Let me put it lower. Oh, I see.
Alright. This is gonna be. Why did it do that? Whoa! That's awesome. How did it do that?
Oh.
Oh. We have light. You got pat up on the back, pat up on the back. There you go, yeah, hard, yeah. That's human.
That actually came on. Yeah, I did that, huh?
Yeah, you sure did. Ooh.
Watch out, Daddy.
What'd it say?
Watch out.
Be round.
This is your reward. Be creative.
Daddy, don't put your hand in there. That is really
I just realized something, bro.
dangerous.
What's up?
No.
What's wrong with them fans?
One of.
Watch out.
Oh, it's backwards. One of them is backwards. One of them is backwards. Oh my
Nobody
God.
would never know. It might be good, it might work like that, though, for real. It's a new style.
He gonna change it. OCD finna kick in. And then these right here are, oh, they fire. I don't know if it's doing that on purpose or what.
That's the egg.